Here, what's up? We have here Kirky aluminum lightweight racing seat, ordered from Summit Racing, came in yesterday. The seat was about $150. The cloth was 100 and some change. Had to order the tilt adapter separate and the I guess the mountain adapter. That's what that's called. Ordered that separate as well. The seat itself weighed about, I want to say 13, 14, maybe 15 pounds. And with everything together, it's probably like close to, I want to say maybe 30, which is still better than factory, because factory was about 55, maybe 60. So definitely shedding some good weight there, right around 20 pounds. Z06 seats for sale if anybody wants them. I didn't bother recording the drilling bolt-in mounting process because I figured nobody wants to see that shit anyway. Gonna throw it in the car so you guys can see what it looks like. Let's get it. $40 and I'll get a full like this. Ordered the fire extinguisher because that's a must-have. Still waiting on the seatbelt chassis frame thingy to come in. Should be here tomorrow. Here's your finished product. Doesn't look too bad, but it feels terrible. Stiff as hell. One of my boy Kyle he just picked up a 07 C6Z, and he's doing the head and cam package. So I'm about to go see him and give a hand, lend a hand, sell a hand. I don't think he's paying, but we'll try.
That's what I asked you. You said it was too small.
Oh man, look at that 427. Filthy. What's up, bro? Haven't seen you before.
How's it going?
Gozy. What's going on? Where's he at?
He just ran. We forgot to get the pulley puller.
What's going on? Gozy.
Nice to meet you.
The pulley, okay. Yeah, I got one from AutoZone.
Yeah, that's where he just went.
Okay, hopefully he's getting
up there. We just forgot.
Hopefully he's getting the right one. But I mean, he's not even ready for it yet though.
No, we're gonna. So he
Gotta
wanted
the right...
you to see. Holy fuck!
Old heads. Well, I see he didn't even do that. He just left it as is.
This is the one that I cut the thing off. Yeah, but
I think about that. Oh. Bro, you're not even ready to pull it off yet. So we're gonna move the racket pin to the side so we can take off the crank pulley bolt. Take the crank pulley off, and then the cam can come out. It's a nice little setup you got here, though.
Yeah, that's not solid, bro.
You get the 2-box from?
Sonic?
How much?
25. Is it fucking coming off anymore?
Yeah, it's coming. Yeah, it's coming. What, are you tired? That has what, like 10K miles on it? That's that?
20.
20K? Oh, okay.
She's brand new.
What's a good price for it?
Price of that?
Yeah.
I don't know anymore. I bought my R1 like 4 or 5 years ago, and I haven't looked
What year?
since 15.
How much?
11 out the door.
That's not bad. Brand new?
It had like 3,000 miles.
Okay. Here we go. Taking the cam out.
Nice and slow.
He's like, fuck this shit, I've been here all day, I'm tired.
Just snatches it.
Oh, there you go. He's a new Canterbury now.
Yeah.
Toss that bitch to the grass or something. Here's the RPM. V3 cam. That's a fat cam. That thing looks good.
Yeah, lube it up.
Let's see this bad boy. Lube that bitch up. Go ahead. All right. While he does that, behind this car are the cam specs, but I can't show you that. But just know it's a pretty big cam. Hey, fuck it. Rub that bitch in there, just. You've done this before, huh?
Oh,
You're so good at it. It's wax and shafts. Out with the old and with the new. What are you shooting for? Like 615?
Yeah, 615, 620. I'm happy with anything over 6.
Sounds like me. Now look at me. 568.
Water pump.
And one more.
Yeah. Las Vegas, red Grand Sport with like 30,000 miles, but they want 40 grand for it.
Victory red, yeah. That's just clean.
Beautiful.
Home now. Boy, it is hot out here. Try not to drive it during the day because it sucks with no AC, but I had to test the fitment on the seat, make sure everything was straight. The cam for the Z, and not the cam, the heads for the Z should be here Tuesday from Frankenstein. I never heard of them, but Kyle said they have good reviews. And hopefully with the B3 cam, it should make some serious gains. As far as the seat, it's pretty solid. I feel everything on the road, every rock, pebble, bumps, everything. It's just crazy. But apart from that, it's pretty solid. Definitely feel more in control, more stable. Hugs me. I like it. I like it. Definitely upgrade to maybe a carbon fiber one when I have more money. Still waiting on the seat belt stuff to get here. Then I'm gonna throw those in. 5.3 swap Datsun on bottle. She's got to weigh like 2,400 pounds. I'm gonna run them. I'm gonna get gapped. This shit's crazy. Poly Air Fly High Ram intake.